The one I was missing, the opposite of fiction, that's fact. Always forgiven, I don't care about opinions, facts, facts.
I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think that this could be what you love.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where we do things the right way, which is the DaBraeWay, and I'm Bray. And today we have another Amazon wig review. Yeah, so this wig comes from SYBE here on Amazon. I don't know if y'all can see that. Well, yeah, SYBE hair. It's deep wave, 13x4, 150% density, 22-inch. Yeah, that's what we have. 13x4, 22-inch, 150% density, deep wave. Did I say deep wave? What deep wave? So y'all was probably like, girl, why is the package already open? Okay, y'all know I don't open my packages without y'all, but I got me a little business and whatnot. I make shirts and hoodies and stuff. So I thought that was my business stuff, but it was actually a wig. It's one of my shirts. Just another one of my shirts. They are wrinkled and stuff, and hoodie. Yeah, get into it. Yeah, get into it. Okay, well back. Oh wait, one more. And the sweater. Oh, we got a lint on it. And the sweater. Get into it. Yeah. Link in bio. But yeah, so back to the wig review. That's why it's open and things. And I saw this and I was like, yeah. But look at it. Come through with the packaging. This is gonna be my new makeup bag. Yep, zip right on up. Okay, pink bag. Let's open this thing up and see what they talking about. Y'all, I be having a hard time with these things. I don't know why. Okay, so we got some good goodies. All right. Okay, hold on, wait. False nails. We coming through with the nails now. The nails. Okay. The edge brush, of course. Not the satin scrunchie. And what else? I don't know what this is. I'm about to open this. But wheel cap. And I have no idea what this is. Okay. With the makeup brushes. What? Not the makeup brushes. Okay. Okay. But this, oh, and we have a elastic band. I needed one of these so bad. Elastic band. Okay, so let's get to the hair. Y'all probably like, girl, why you got a towel on your head? I just washed my hair. You gotta be fresh under this wig, okay? Fresh. But this is the wig. Let's see. It smells like factory. We're gonna wash that right on out. Let's see what's going on. Take this net off. You already know I be having a hard time with the net. I don't know why. It just be all over the place. I can't get it off. Okay, I got it out. It's on me. Okay. So this is the lace. Let me see how many combs. 1, 2, 3 combs. And it adjusts. Got a little piece in the back. Okay, the little baby hair's already out. Okay, y'all, just okay. Wait a minute. I really like this with the 22-inch. Let me see. Oh, it's definitely true to length, y'all. It's so soft, and the deep wave is definitely waving. Okay, it's waving, it's giving. It's waving, y'all. It's so soft. Okay, let's look at these knots. They real small. This is gonna be real easy to bleach. Okay, so this wig is for my middle part babies only. You know, you can only get a good middle part with this. It don't have no too much parting space. But I'm already ready to put this on. Like, it's definitely giving it. It is giving. Y'all, I can't wait to put this on. Gonna be a real baddie in this. Okay, so I'm gonna bleach these knots and come back to y'all. Y'all already know how it go. SYBE hair that come through. But I'm gonna bleach these knots and come back with it on. You already know how this go. I might record me installing it or whatnot. I don't know yet, but stay tuned. Okay.
About to go to the school program. Oh, you're black on.
You better be serious.
That was good.
With the Dre, come on.
Eternity later.
Okay, y'all, so I'm back. with this hair on and things, and it is giving. All right, so again, this is SYBE hair, 13x4 lace front, 150% density, 22-inch deep wave. And right now it's dry. I'm gonna wet it for y'all in a little bit. I just wanted to show you how it looks dry. It looks real full and fluffy when it's dry. Okay, so the knots, like I said, they were very small, easy to bleach, easy to pluck. It didn't shed. I washed the smell out, and it's just giving. Like, it's soft. What else? Didn't shed. I said it, but it didn't shed. Like, the only hair that came out was the hair that I plucked out. Like, and I was brushing this thing. Like, y'all saw that video. Y'all see how full it is after it's like washed and dry. It's like really giving. You can't even tell like it's 150% density. It's just 5 out of 5 stars for me. Like, it's giving scalp, and it really fits my hairline, because I got just like a little piece of a widow's peak, so it really covered that real good. I don't know, I just love this one. It's like one of the best wigs I received so far. Well, I say that about all of them, but it's still really good. I just love me some wigs, but this is some really good hair. The link, you already know where it is, in the description. Go look at it. And this is 22 inches. I think it's a great length. It's 22 inches. It's giving. Hold on, let me pose for y'all. Pose, let me see you. Ew. But like, I can't believe this is 150% density. Like, maybe because it's deep wave hair, but it's full. Okay, real full. I'm gonna wet it for y'all so y'all can see how it looks wet. Okay, so I'm just gonna wet it a little bit. Oh, this water is cold. Like, maybe I should do a side by side comparison. This is dry side, just the wet side. Like, it's still full and it's wet. Just look at it. Yo, just look at it. Like, this is some good hair. And the packaging, I ain't never got that many gifts with a package. Like, the false nails, the makeup brushes, the little satin scrunchie. Like, come through with the packaging. But yeah, let me wet it some more for y'all. So it's still full and thick, wet, and this the dry side, this the wet side, and it's still giving. Okay, still giving. Like, y'all, this is not 150% density. They lied to me. Oh my gosh, I just really love this hair. So it's still very much giving wet. It gives dry. Comment which side y'all like better. Y'all like the dry side, or y'all like the wet side? Dry side, wet side, dry side, wet side. Let me wet this other side so y'all can see. Oh, oh. Let me try this way. Yeah, I'm not right-handed. I'm gonna spray this mess out of my face. Okay, I think that's good enough. Okay, so this is it, fully wet. It's still not giving 150% density. Like, come on. You already know where the link is. Go ahead and get it. You already know where the link is. I love this hair so much. Go ahead and buy it. What you waiting on? Y'all just look at it. Oh my gosh. Okay, this, if I could give them 10 stars, I would. Like, y'all just look at it. Oh my goodness, it is very full, very thick. The deep wave, like I said, it is definitely waving. Okay, hello, how you doing? It is waving. Okay, but overall it's a great wig. I think you guys should really try it out. Link in the description. Just give them a chance. Like, come on now, give them a chance. Hold on, wait. Okay, I'm done. But give them a chance. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Which side do you like better? You like it dry, you like it wet? Let me know. Yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.
That's